Alright guys, we're up at Lake Ontario. There's the breaker wall. We're getting ready to head out into the lake. It's very calm today. Winds are about 7-15 mile an hour. Or knots, I can't remember. No waves though, it looks pretty good. A little chop, it was just thunder shower, but that's gone by. Now everything's going good. We're on Finhooker charters today with Captain Mike Klickus. Then we got Jack out here, Jaden, Kai, Ross. Little boat traffic behind us. We're all heading out into the lake, going for the salmon. Right, Mike? It's going to be a great day. We're going to catch so many fish. We hope we don't sink the boat. Here we go. Yesterday we were over here at Selkirk on the beach, which is up the lake there, maybe about a mile. Now we're heading out. We're going to go to Oswego area. It's over by the big power plant right there. We're going to start fishing in about 50 feet of water. All right, we'll keep you posted. Lead in the corner. Just stay out of Mike's way. Yeah. Just let me know. Oh, it's a big one, Kai. Hurting my fingers. I know, buddy.
Just reel in, bro. You got it. Give him a hand if you have to.
Keep reeling. Just keep reeling. Lift.
You might want to help him lift, Dave. Nice and steady.
You're pretty snowed out. Like I know you. And you gotta think about it. You're watching Cosby. You triple his bench. You triple his everything. Check, you're filming the wrong way. You gotta get it for the YouTube. Yeah, now you gotta hit this. I was trying to, bro. It's so hard to balance, dude. Yeah, and I got that height too. Look at this thing. Hell yeah. Oh. See it? I saw it now.
Real. Ready?
Hold up there. He's there.
Go down. Good. Go down. Look at the giant washer pad. Good. Go down. Good. Go down. Go down. Ready? Go down. Ready? All right. Let's go. Ready? Go down. Coming in fast. Okay. Reeling. I can't go. Ready? Good.
And that's on this side. Oh, never mind. Yup.
My finger hurts so bad. Oh my god, that's hard.
Look at the size of that slob.
I'm feeling with this finger. It's gonna make a hard time playing well.
What was that, the live bait, Mike?
No, that was a fire.
Try and hold him, Kai.
Well, I need to try and get this.
Put your hand in here this time.
Try to see around. Yeah, not like that.
There's air coming.
You're
Put your
right.
hand in one of these gills. There you go. In
Here?
there. Yeah.
Like this?
Now hold them. Get this arm under this side.
Try not to get bit by it. This is the best I'm getting. I'm hugging it.
Look at me. Hell yeah.
Like one box. Trying to get the slime out from under your legs. You go in here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Drop
Go
it.
right in there in the box. And you can take a photo of them in there too.
Move.
To the back.
I need a hand too.
Yeah, I gotta get back there. I gotta get straightened out. Still got him or you lose him?
No, we got him. All right.
About a minnow, I think.
Where is he?
You got off.
Yeah.
I don't see him.
Come on, reel, don't just play.
Yeah. Go over that line, Mike.
Remember what I told you?
I know what that's meant for us. I'm scared.
Thank God, dude. I was getting so bored.
It looks different in water for sure.
No, I don't know. You got it.
Keep videoing.
I am.
Oh, yeah.
If I'm in the way, I'll get out.
A little bit.
We got 3 cameras. Boy.
Big steelhead.
Nice feeling. Nice.
Back up.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Hey, I'll be all
Hell
right.
yeah.
I thought it was.
Oh, it's a small salmon.
Yeah.
I got the scissors.
Nice little small salmon. Like
Forearmer?
that. Yeah, it don't look like that one came in fast.
Yeah, that boat was not
A
there.
little smaller, you know?
Yeah.
I know.
That one's probably like
13 to 15.
I see this sucker. It's funny too.
Yeah, I think
Stay ready.
that is just touching Paul's name. Look at that monster. I do like
This is big one, Jack. Just let him pull and fight. Hold that rod tip up though. Keep it up. Pull it flat. All right, pull him. All right, hold on. That's a ball game. And that's the ball game. about 100 yards. Take this down. Keep going, Jack. You're doing great. Keep reeling. Reel. Keep reeling. He's on top. The wind is blowing him right at us here. The good net is on your side, Mike. Catch up. Yep, keep reeling, Jack, as fast as you can. Get him to the center of the boat. Center him up toward Mike now. Lean your rod toward Mike a little. Keep fighting him toward the back, over toward Mike. If he wants to pull drag, he's gonna go. So just don't stop reeling and then pump him in, you know. Yeah, he's coming. He's right there. I see him, Mike. He's about 30 yards. See him right there? Yeah, he's a good one. He's coming. Yep. Oh, he's a nice one. I see him. I see him. He's coming. Mike's getting a net. Center him up, Jack. Get him towards you. He's going to get in his line. Pull him towards you, Jack. Pull him. Keep him high. Get him centered right to the center here. Keep him centered. Keep him going. He's a good one. Guys, watch, don't get poked with that net when he pulls back on that fish. Keep him toward the center, yep. Pull him toward us, toward the right here. Yep, you got him, he's coming. All right, pump him up. Perfect, Jack. You got him, he's coming. We got him. Wow, he is a good one. Good job, Jack. I could tell as soon as I put that hook in him. Holy shit. I was like, man, I got him after. It's okay, Russ.
Damn, Jack.
Keep it running.
Damn, Jack.
Good job, Sonny boy.
Damn, Jack. That was a hard play, Jack.
Big one.
That was a real hard play, bro. Good shit. Damn, Jack. He was fighting for a long time.
That was a heavy one. There you go.
I just chose the shit out of my yum.
He's got a stinger on the leg.
There's two. Okay, go after the bar. Go after the hook.
Okay.
Don't pull on the line.
Like that for the same time, man. Don't you think it is? Yeah, the way it was fighting, I think so.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right, Jack, it's all yours.
What'd you do with the,
Actually, I'm not sure.
what'd you guys do with the, weight?
What?
The scale?
The first one.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah,
We've
get him
been
under the
looking
gill
for it
plate
like the
like I
whole
showed
time.
you.
We gave it back to you.
You had it. What'd you
And
do
then
with
put your other
Yeah,
hand
we
back.
gave it back
Here
to
it
you.
is. Swing them out the way you got them. Pick
Yeah,
them
we
up.
go.
Right up.
Yeah, I can just go like this.
No, bare middle.
Just somewhere on the boat.
Don't ever put your hands here. Now lift them straight up and then put your hands under it. Like that. Perfect. Good job.
Oh, Jack, we're making him bleed.
You're making a mess.
Ah, wait. Don't do nothing. I want to see how big he is first. Easy.
I don't want you to slip and slide. I'm going to try to clean it a little. That is slippery.
Oh, my God, he's bigger than that.
21?
19. 1904.
I thought he was bigger too.
I thought he was over. I thought he was like 22, 24.
That's what I thought.
I was getting nervous. I didn't want to get him nervous, though, you know?
Alright, Jack, you're grabbing.
See, we got matching fish. Jack.
Ready, buddy? Got a big one on here. Keep up. Rod up higher, Russ. Lift. All right, reel down. Lift.
Push hits are right on the waypoints.
JR. Russ, lift. Keep that rod tip high. Reel. Is he coming at us? Reel. Keep him centered. Keep that rod tip up. He's coming at us. Yep. Keep reeling. Reel. He's coming. I see him. He's coming at us. I see him splashing. He's coming. Come on, Russ. Lift. Reel. Keep reeling. If he's coming at us, he'll outrun it. Oh, he might have come off. Damn it. Good try. All right, guys, we're heading back into the boat launch area here. We're on our way back. There goes the great Lake Ontario. A couple people fishing right at the mouth of the river here. I don't know what they're catching. There's the gang. Everybody's relaxing in there. Making our way back. What'd you guys think, Jack? Good times? What about you, Kai?
It was fun. Good times.
That's the main parking area. Mexico Point here. Now we're just heading back up Salmon River. Heading back to our camp area. There's a little turtle. Just getting some sunshine. Nice, good-looking bass fishing area here. There's probably some nice fish. Yeah, every kid's worst nightmare, the bobber in the tree. Right there, see it? That's like a little kingfisher. I see him. What kind of wildlife up here? like that might be some kind of duck or, yeah, a little, might be a mallard or a little teal duck. I'm not really sure what that is. It's tiny. How you doing? There sure are some nice big oak trees here. There's a giant one. Nice little boathouse. There's sailboats through here. Fish hound. Nice little cabin right there. Nice spot. Oh, here comes my boat. I can tell by the name. Dun dun dun. Big Daddy. It started out real rainy today, but it cleared up and became perfect actually. We had a little bit of rain starting out and a little bit of chop out there, which was nice. The wind kept all the bugs down. Didn't get too sunny, nobody got sunburned. So that was good. It was a great day. Caught 4 fish, kept 3. Rusty had a big one he missed. Well, not missed, but come off the hook. A lot of chop out there, and we don't know if it was hooked all that good. Just come off about 2/3 the way in. It was a great time though on the Finhooker charter here. A couple guys getting ready to go. Oh, a little flock of geese coming in for a landing here. They were going to land with this group, but they moved on. One of the problems we're having at the Great Lakes are these sand fleas. I don't know if you could see that. In there are thousands of sand fleas. See how they're all little black dots? Those are actually sand fleas in there, and they get all over lures and line, and they're a pain in the ass. They get on everything. We're almost back to the dock now. Looks a little cloudy out, but they're not calling for any more thunder showers today. Just a chance of rain. But that looks like it might bring something for us here. Like I said, we're just about back now to the dock. All right, we're almost back. Shameless hooker. Double J. Jumping Jack. Crime pays 3. people going out.
My back!
Yeah, we're back toward the marina here. Salmon country. That's what it is here. Well, there's a little duck over there. I just noticed taking a break. It's kind of relaxing. Back at the dock here now, Mike is pulling in. That little tiny space right there. And that's where we're going. Like parking a Cadillac in a tiny, tiny little spot. Alright guys, we're back and these guys are hanging a fish up here so we can take a big photo of them. And Jaden's putting the cooler back. How many we got? 3? We got 3 nice ones. They were like, how big were they, Mike? 20?
Almost 20.
Almost 20. There's Jack. Oh, who caught what fish here, guys? Show me again. Kai caught the middle one?
I caught the little hogger.
Yeah. And Jack got the other guy. And Rusty had a nice one on, but it got off. So this is it. Mike's going to be filleting up the fish now to make steaks out of them so that we can cook them up. Let's see how Mike does his fillet job while I'm at it here. Oh, perfect. Just like a sushi restaurant, Mike is. Right, Mike?
Yeah, you try.
Mike, I heard you saved the eggs to eat them, no?
No. You
No, thank you. That's it.
Y'all need to use the bathroom? You can go.
Oh, yeah, whatever, Russ. Right over there.
I'm actually using it.
Oh,
I did good. Don't go in that porta potty. It smells so
Yeah,
bad.
it's not great. That's what you guys were both just telling me to go to.
we're not that far,
You know
about
what?
20 minutes.
That was in Atlantic.
Was it
That
Atlantic?
was in Atlantic. Yeah, I didn't even pay attention.
Oh,
That's in Atlantic.
Atlantic salmon.
Yeah, it was that.
I thought it looked awful silvery.
Yeah. That's why it was blue. That got that blue color.
Bluish, yeah, because you're right. These guys are silvery.
What does that mean then?
It's an Atlantic salmon.
They don't grow as big as the,
Different species.
yeah, kings or Chinook.
Here, I want to show you. See the X's? This that side worn off. This other side was better.
Had X's. You're right. I see kind of X's on there.
Different color.
Oh, Jesus. And Jack's the bagger, man.
Right there.
The bagger. All right, guys. That's it for the filleting right now. All right, Mike is on his second one here. I had to move some fish into the cooler. Jack is helping him out.
Yeah, Jack, some of those fishes.
We're ready to give you that bag.
He put it over here in the cooler. Is it another one ready?
Oh, mine? It looks disgusting. I didn't even tell you, Jack.
that looks good.
Nice and exact.
Nice.
I'm gonna start.
That's it, guys. We're packing it up. Truck is getting wrapped up. Everybody's moving out. Mike is back here talking. I'm gonna go tell him goodbye. Thanks for everything. Finhooker Charters, if anyone is interested, up in Mexico here, New York. Have a great day.